Hello everybody, welcome to the Real Stocks channel. On this channel, as you guys know, we do stocks every single day. I'm just a real trader doing real stocks, and what I have to show you today is absolutely amazing, guys. I am not a hype man. I know I sound like it right now, but I'm not a hype man. Ask anybody that follows me, I do not do hype. You may know me as Real Crypto on the cryptocurrency landscape. I started a Real Stocks channel to kind of differentiate streams that I do between both of the things. So check out Real Crypto. Thanks for joining Real Stocks. Hit that subscribe button. Tesla looks like it's going to double. All right. So let's get into this right now. Tesla has been on a huge run. Randy, why would this double again? This makes no sense. It's worth $400 billion. Blah, 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 blah. Well, a couple of reasons. And I should start this out by saying generally I'm not a trader that believes in reasons per se, especially with cryptocurrency. But with stocks, it's a little bit different, okay? And I know some people are going to say, oh, it's the S&P 500 run, you're an idiot. Well, part of it does have something to do with that. But I think what it is, it's just the general momentum of Tesla right now is unstoppable. Absolutely unstoppable. They are in the thick of their growth phase, and they will be for the next several years. Tesla is going on a very multi-year run that has just begun. Now, granted, the bulk of your move has happened already with almost 870% run from my breakout point down there to our recent high. Obviously, that's happened. That's going to be a bulk of the run. I'm not saying it's going to go up another tenfold, although it definitely could, but that would be in another 10 years or so. So depending on your time horizon for your trade, just hold this thing until you retire, and it'll likely be a multi-trillion-dollar market cap company for many reasons. But regardless, let's get down to the technicals. Tesla, after just a very, very expansive run, moved into a symmetrical triangle, which for the most part is a continuation pattern. We have an uptrend here. We move into a symmetrical triangle. Now, one thing I look for significantly with stocks, especially towards the end of a symmetrical triangle type of a move, or even any kind of major base, I like to look for low volume. And the low volume that you got on Tesla here, I can't even really definitively put on a chart and show you very clearly. You're going to have to zoom in for this. So you have this green day where your volume on Tesla is 17.35 million. I'm looking right up here. I know it's hard for you guys to see that. 17.35 million. The last time we had anything like that was November 19th, 2019 of 12 million. There was a little sequence right here. And what do you think it did right after that little sequence? It rallied. All of this very low volume indicates lack of selling pressure. So what do you think it means when we have a continuation pattern in a generally bullish market, even though we haven't broken out yet, with very low volume? It's extreme lack of selling pressure. Very extreme lack of selling pressure. And why do I think Tesla's going to double? This is the reason why I think Tesla's going to double. And if you want to know, hit the damn like button, because I know no one hits the like button. And it helps get the video seen around YouTube, so I really would appreciate that. Also, share the video, because it's pretty cool. There's something called model book stocks, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm super excited to announce for you today the model book stock for this Tesla run. Apple in 2005, ladies and gentlemen, is the model book stock that I have for Tesla in 2020. Look at this. Very expansive run-up, symmetrical triangle. Very expansive run-up, symmetrical triangle. The only thing different here is coronavirus. This is the year 2000. This is the year 2003. This base here is in 2005. What came after that was a continuation move of 100%. It says 107% if you can't see it. 100% move came out of this exact situation. The only major difference here, and it is a bit of a difference, is that our volume was a little bit heavier on the way up. But, I mean, you can't argue against Tesla's volume over here. So, as odd as it seems, ladies and gentlemen, for Tesla to get upwards of $1,000 again, you guys have to keep in mind Tesla's already been to $1,000. They just had a 1-for-5 stock split, and this move up right here, 960. On the run up, in my chat room, you can go in the live stream for Real Stocks on this channel. I mentioned sell at 950. It topped at 960. The reason being is because anytime you come to a very large round number, you're either going to blow right through it or they're not going to let you hit it. And I think $50 was enough in that particular situation. In this situation, I'm saying 900. I'm saying this goes to $900 within about 6 months. And it may do it faster than that. I hope it does it faster than that. But so where are we at right now? We're in November. So that would be April-ish. 900 by April-ish. And this model book stock followed it also about 6 months. Same trajectory. The exact same thing, ladies and gentlemen. Could it do it faster? It could do it faster than that. It could do it faster than that. The reason being is because the cycle that took Tesla up versus what took Apple up, Tesla's cycle was faster. But still, I'm giving it the full 6 months to get to $900. You may say Tesla's crazy to 800 billion market cap. I understand. I hear you. And logically, you're right. You're 100% right. But guys, I don't know what else to tell you. If you don't believe the technicals, if you don't believe the market can do extraordinary things, why are you even in the market? Why are you even here? Go get a job and invest in index funds. You know what I mean? No one, when Tesla was down here in this cup and handle, including myself, thought we would be up where we are today. Nobody in this period of time. So can it happen? Yes, it can happen. Why can it happen? Number one, Apple in 2005 and Tesla today are very similar companies. In 2005, so let me put it to you this way. This is where they announced the iPod, and I think they started delivering it several months later. And then they announced the iPhone in 2007, somewhere over here. I don't know exactly where. So all this run was just from the iPod. This was just an iPod rally coming out of extreme low levels, okay? Now, slightly different situation here, but we're still in the middle of the product cycle ramp up. The iPod, they were selling that, I think, into 2010 or something like that. I don't, maybe 2015. I'm not sure when they discontinued that, but they sold that iPod for a long time. It changed Apple. Well, Tesla has always been Tesla, but you can argue it's much more difficult to scale a Tesla than it is to scale an Apple. And so they've been waiting 10 years, and now they're hitting this growth phase. Just like Apple in 2005 was in the middle of its growth phase, Tesla today is in the middle of its growth phase. I don't care about the market cap. I don't care about anything else. It's in the middle of its growth phase. If you don't believe in Tesla, why are you even watching the video? Okay? But if you do believe in Tesla, it's in the middle of its growth phase. And there's nothing else to say other than that. There is no institution on the planet that is not going to buy a stock who is in the middle of its growth phase. That's how it works. You can go back to Amazon throughout the past 20 years and say they were overvalued. In fact, they did. The PE ratios were astronomical in Amazon. But in Tesla today, obviously the bulk of the move is behind us. I'm not saying we're going to go up 1,000%. I'm saying this next leg is going to double. On my Real Crypto channel, my intro is one leg at a time while keeping the market cycle in mind. This is the next leg for Tesla. A big leg. Now, could it only go up 50%? Sure. It doesn't have to double. It could only go up. It could go 50%, 60%. It could go up 200%. I have no idea what it's going to do. The model book stock of Apple, though, says that we are in a tremendous leg for Tesla, and it's just starting. It's just starting, ladies and gentlemen. And I think we have plenty of room to go. So to finish out here, guys, first of all, thank you for watching if you've made it this far. Second of all, hit the subscribe and the like button. And third of all here, so first of all, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me. If you're still here, please subscribe to the channel. Please hit the like button. Please share the video with someone that needs some extra money as Tesla begins its cycle. Tesla's inclusion in the S&P 500 is amazing and obviously warranted, especially at its market cap, is going to create a problem. We've seen tremendous buying pressure, and it is just starting to break out of this pattern, guys. It is just starting. Yesterday's volume was tremendous, the biggest volume in quite some time, definitely what we call a pocket pivot. I would assume we're going to have very similar volumes for the next couple of weeks, and then we'll see what happens after that. We'll take it, again, one leg at a time while keeping the market cycle in mind. So thanks, guys, for joining me. I appreciate it. I'll see you next time.